Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel with another exciting vlog to Dandiganahalli Dam. We are visiting this place for the second time. In our last ride, we weren't allowed to visit the dam and was stopped by the local villagers. If you haven't watched that vlog, kindly do watch it after this video. I have posted the link in the below description. Let me introduce myself. I am Hari Vivan. I am an adventurer, explorer, international traveler and a motorist. Traveling is my passion and hobby. And this channel is all about travel related vlogs. So if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming vlogs. Today is 30th of August and all gathered at a common point in Hebbal, just opposite to Esteem Mall. We could also see a lot of bikers, and this spot has become a popular meeting point for bikers. We started our ride at 6:30. We took the airport route. Dandiganahalli Dam is a small reservoir surrounded by rocky hills situated in the village of Dandiganahalli, Chikbalapur. It's about 80 kilometers from Bangalore. Travel duration is 1 hour 30 minutes. It's a perfect place for day outing and short rides. You can see mixed crowd visiting this place. The best time to visit is during the monsoons. You need to take the left just after the airport toll. After about 40 minutes drive, we stopped for breakfast around 7:30 am and started our journey back. We stopped at multiple spots to click some photos and videos. It was a great experience riding through these curves while surrounded by greenish hills. The roads aren't that great. There are a lot of potholes and constructions happening. Kindly ride with great care as these are accident prone zones. And I highly recommend you to equip yourself with proper riding gears. As we kept getting closer, the road narrowed down and we were surrounded with green fields and driving through them was very scenic. We had to ride across the village to reach the dam, and about 1 kilometer we had to ride completely off-road, and my Mission Himalayan was all set for its challenge. With its amazing suspension and torque, I was able to ride on the hard bumps without any hassle, and it was a great off-roading experience. There is no proper parking facility and you will have to ride uphill to reach the spot. Let me introduce our riders. This is Dr. Hemant with his 500cc Enfield and Sharath with his 350 Classic and my buddy Winston with his KTM 200. This spot has become popular in the last couple of years and we could see a lot of families enjoying their weekend. There are no shops nearby, so I request you to carry your own foods and water. Avoid visiting during the weekends as it is too crowded. The spot near the parking has lost its charm due to lot of littering. Kindly support the tourism by not littering the place. Playing in the water is at your own choice. You will see a range of mountains covering the river from both the sides and hitting you with the cool breeze. The view is very stunning and relaxing. So guys, finally we have made it. So the place is really amazing, huh? So if you see to my left hand side, it's fully covered with hills, and this is a narrow lane, and just behind that there's a bridge, then the water. Both the side you have narrowed lanes requesting you to not to take your bikes. It becomes very difficult to turn around. While I was enjoying the lavish landscape, I forgot to clip my helmet and it fell in the water, and this happened.
I don't know how deep it is going to be. No, it's not deep. Look, catch my hand, catch my hand.
Ah, that's it.
Fuck. Look, it's damn slippery.
There's a long bridge here that runs right into the waters and makes for a great spot to take some spectacular photos. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for upcoming vlogs. I'll see you soon with another exciting vlog. Until then, this is Hari Vivan signing off. Thanks for watching.